any eggplant, the Chinese eggplant, the long one. I gonna deep fry. I gonna stir fry with egg. สิขัวอันมะเขือฮัมม่านี่นะใส่กับอันไข่เนาะ I gonna take out the skin little bit, save some little bit. Like this. Have a little bit tiny color. Chinese eggplant, I think. I don't know how to call the in English this one, but I just call it Chinese eggplant. In Lao they call มะเขือ Nyao มะเขือฮัมม่ามะเขืออิฐนั่นแหละ Okay, I'm gonna put in the water, little bit water, because you know the eggplant when you cut it's kind of change color, you know. Okay, it's done. I choke with the water because the eggplant when you cut in the change color, then I want the color the same, and I put in the water. And I'm gonna add some bell pepper a little bit because I want a little bit color. And onion. You can use any kind onion or basil, anything, whatever you want, you know. But today I don't have basil, and I add some onion. Okay, green onion. I'm gonna take out the eggplant from the water now. Okay, put in here. Okay, the last thing, I gonna crack the egg. I cook 4 eggs. Okay. This is my mom recipe. She like to eat this a lot. And I add some little bit black pepper and little bit fish sauce. Okay, add little bit salt and mix. Okay, we're gonna move to the stove. Okay, and garlic. I'm gonna add olive oil, about tablespoon. Make it hot. The oil is hot. I'm gonna add some garlic and onion. Okay. Stir it back and forth. Add a little bit salt. And after that, I add some eggplant. Okay. Saute until eggplant is cooked. My mom likes this one. She likes to eat this a lot. ใส่ขวดมะเขือใส่อันเอ็กเนาะใส่ไข่scrambled egg with eggplant, and I'm gonna add some bell pepper. Then I'm gonna add some egg. Okay guys, I'm gonna add some green onion. back and forth. Look, because I want everything cooked. Oh my god, you guys, look yummy though. Let me taste a little bit how it go, okay? Let me taste eggplant. Oh my god, so yummy. That's why my mom loved it. I'm gonna add a little bit more black pepper. This is my mom's flavor. Add a little bit salt. See? Oh my god, you guys, yummy. It's done, guys. Really good, really yummy. Oh my god. Yummy. Or for the eggplant stir fry with egg is done for today. If you like to try some at home, really easy and quickly, and let me know how it turned out for you. Really yummy, guys. Alright guys, see you next video. If you like my food, please subscribe on my channel. See you next video, guys. Bye bye.